Hey folks, I'm at 4172 Beard Street in Port St. Lucie. We just reduced the price $10,000. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is going to be listed for $239,800. And I wanted to give you a tour real quick before I do an open house here. It's very clean, freshly painted. Nothing to do here, just move in. We have a garage here painted with a nice epoxy floor, nice finish. It's vaulted ceilings. We have a nice backyard. You have an enclosed patio here too, and an additional patio right outside. Right now, currently the backyard is private because there's nothing built behind you. Can't guarantee somebody won't put a house back there, but you have good sized bedrooms. There's one extra bedroom. You have a bath here. And then you have another good sized bedroom coming back on out through the home. Of course, it's got a separate floor plan, so the master's on the other side of the house, which is a good thing. This is your master, another good size, doors leading outside to the covered patio. And then you have your master bath. You got a sunken tub, you got a separate shower, you got 2 different sinks here for his and hers, and we got a jetted tub. So if you want to relax, turn on the jets, you certainly can do that. Again, this is 4172 Southwest Baird Street. That's B-A-I-R-D, Port St. Lucie. And this is Wayne with Home Saver Real Estate. If you have any questions, give me a call. You can reach me on my cell, 602-793-5898. Again, Wayne, Home Saver Real Estate.